Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Lyft account by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Follow these steps to enable 2FA for your Lyft account. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Scroll down to find the Security section within the Settings menu. Tap on Security to view your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify your phone number. After enabling 2FA, Lyft will send a verification code to your registered phone number. Enter the code in the app to confirm and complete the setup process. Now your Lyft account is secure with two-factor authentication, providing you with added protection against unauthorized access.